Imagine a place in the vast, mysterious cosmos where time stands still, where light itself is swallowed into an endless void, and the very laws of physics seem to unravel. Picture a region so enigmatic that modern science struggles to define it, while ancient scriptures whisper secrets that resonate with these cosmic mysteries. Today, we embark on a journey that bridges the gap between the hard evidence of astrophysics and the poetic symbolism of sacred texts. In this exploration, we will discover not only the scientific truths behind black holes, but also the spiritual insights that have echoed through centuries in the Quran and the Bible. Our voyage begins with a fundamental question: what exactly is a black hole? Contrary to what the name might imply, a black hole is not simply a void or an absence, but a region in space where gravity is so extreme that not even light can escape its pull. Born from the dramatic collapse of massive stars, black holes emerge when a star many times the size of our Sun compresses into an almost inconceivable small space. At the epicenter of this gravitational storm lies what scientists call the singularity, a point where the conventional rules of physics break down entirely. Here, matter is squeezed to infinite density, and the familiar fabric of space and time is stretched beyond recognition. In this extraordinary landscape, every conventional notion of reality is put to the test. As you venture closer to a black hole, you reach a critical boundary known as the event horizon. This is the point of no return, where the gravitational pull becomes so overpowering that nothing, not even light, can escape its dominance. The event horizon represents a threshold where time itself begins to warp and slow under the influence of extreme gravity. For an observer watching from a safe distance, time seems to stretch, and the descent into darkness appears as a slow, agonizing crawl. Yet, for the one who has crossed this invisible line, the journey appears disturbingly ordinary, a paradox that both fascinates and puzzles scientists. Within the event horizon, the universe reveals phenomena that are almost beyond human comprehension. One such phenomenon is spaghettification, a term that captures the gruesome process by which objects are stretched and elongated due to the differential gravitational forces acting on them. Imagine a body being pulled apart, fiber by fiber, into an endless stream of matter. This incredible transformation is not merely a fantastical idea from science fiction. It is a stark reality predicted by modern physics. Moreover, theories suggest alternative outcomes for those who dare to enter these cosmic abysses. Some propose that black holes may serve as portals leading to entirely new universes, while others argue that environment within these regions could distort time itself, so that seconds for the traveler might translate into millennia for the distant cosmos outside. Yet, as we delve deeper into these scientific theories, we find echoes of ancient wisdom that challenge us to see the universe through a dual lens. Numerous verses from the Quran offer striking parallels to these modern discoveries. In Surah At-Takwir, the stars are described as disappearing, moving and hiding, a vivid image that resonates with the phenomenon of a collapsed star forming a black hole. Similarly, the verses in Surah Al-Far speak of a crushing cosmic force, a concept that aligns with the black hole's ability to compress matter into its most elemental form. And then there is the evocative description found in Surah Al-Ma'arij, where the sky is likened to molten brass and mountains to strands of wool, a poetic mirror to the scientific process of spaghettification. These passages, written long before the advent of modern astrophysics, compel us to wonder whether ancient scholars had an intuitive grasp of the mysteries we are only now beginning to unravel. The Bible, too, provides a rich tapestry of imagery that finds surprising resonance in our understanding of black holes. The Book of Revelation paints a picture of a bottomless pit, a vast chasm from which a mysterious smoke rises and darkens the sky. This description is reminiscent of the swirling accretion disks of a black hole, where hot gas and light are in constant, tumultuous motion. Moreover, in the Gospel of Matthew we read of an outer darkness, where no light exists, a phrase that strikingly mirrors the defining feature of a black hole, where even the fastest light is rendered captive by gravity. These scriptural interpretations, although cloaked in metaphor, converge with modern scientific theories, suggesting that the cosmos might be a tapestry woven with both physical laws and spiritual truths. The narrative of black holes does not end with their fearsome reputation for destruction. Rather, an intriguing facet of current scientific thought suggests that these cosmic phenomena might serve as bridges to other realms. This idea is rooted in the concept of the Einstein-Rosen bridge, a theoretical passage linking distant points in space, and even connecting separate universes. According to this view, a black hole might not obliterate all that enters it but instead transform or preserve information, acting as a vault where the secrets of existence are safeguarded. Such theories also find a subtle echo in the scriptures. Some interpretations of the Quran mention the joining and separating of heavens, evoking a cosmological cycle reminiscent of the Big Bang and the ever-changing nature of the universe. Likewise, the Bible speaks of new heavens and a new earth, hinting at cycles of creation, renewal, and transformation. As we stand at the crossroads of scientific inquiry and ancient wisdom, the conflict between these two perspectives begins to dissolve. What initially appears as a stark dichotomy, a cold, calculable force on one side and a mysterious, divinely orchestrated process on the other, gradually unfolds into a unified narrative. Both modern astrophysics and sacred texts urge us to confront the enormity of the unknown with humility and wonder. Black holes, whether viewed as destructive cosmic phenomena or as portals to other dimensions, challenge us to reconsider our place in the universe. They invite us to marvel at the incredible complexity of nature, while also pondering the profound questions of existence that have captivated human thought for millennia. The journey into a black hole is as much a journey inward as it is outward. It compels us to question our basic assumptions about reality, urging us to accept that the universe is far more intricate and beautiful than our current theories can fully explain. When we look at the tapestry of the cosmos, woven from both the threads of empirical data and the rich fabric of human spirituality, we begin to see a pattern emerge. This pattern is one of transformation, a universe in constant flux, where beginnings and endings are intertwined, and where every conclusion gives rise to a new beginning. Imagine for a moment, standing on the precipice of a black hole. The swirling chaos of matter and energy around you is not merely a destructive force, it is also a creative one. In the midst of overwhelming gravity and the relentless pull of the event horizon, there lies the potential to glimpse a new order emerging from chaos. The physical and metaphysical, the measurable and the ineffable, converge in a cosmic dance that defies simple explanation. It is this dance that invites you to look beyond conventional boundaries and embrace a more holistic understanding of the universe, a universe that honors both scientific rigor and the mystical allure of ancient revelations. As we draw closer to the final mystery of black holes, let us take a moment to reflect on the journey itself. The exploration we have undertaken today is not merely an academic exercise but a profound invitation to explore the very nature of existence. In peering into the abyss, we are not just learning about a celestial phenomenon, we are also engaging in a dialogue with the cosmos, questioning and seeking answers to some of the most fundamental questions about life, creation, and our place in the grand scheme of things. The ultimate mystery remains: what truly lies beyond the singularity? Do black holes represent an end, a beginning, or perhaps a continuous cycle of creation and destruction? Modern science, with the tools of advanced mathematics and telescopic vision, tells us that black holes are windows into the deepest laws governing our universe. At the same time, spiritual texts from the Quran and the Bible frame these celestial entities as symbols of a larger, more enigmatic design, a design that speaks of cosmic cycles, eternal renewal, and the boundless power of creation. In reconciling these perspectives, we find a harmonious theme that transcends the apparent conflict between matter and spirit. Black holes, in their dual identity, remind us that the universe is an ever-evolving interplay of forces, where every endpoint is a precursor to a new beginning, and every mystery is an invitation to delve deeper into the unknown. They serve as cosmic mirrors, reflecting our perpetual quest for knowledge, and the enduring human desire to understand the sublime intricacies of existence. As our journey through the depths of black holes comes to a close, we are left with a sense of awe and humility. The universe is larger, stranger, and more beautiful than we ever imagined. The scientific theories and scriptural interpretations we have explored today do not offer all the answers, but they do provide a framework for understanding the cosmos in a way that embraces both rational inquiry and spiritual wonder. In the end, the black hole is not just a dark void of destruction, but a beacon of cosmic mystery, a reminder that we are all part of an ever-changing, infinitely complex universe. Whether as a window into an utterly foreign dimension or as a metaphor for the profound cycles of creation and renewal, the black hole challenges us to expand our horizons and question the very nature of reality. Thank you for joining this expedition into the heart of darkness, into the very edge of the known universe and beyond. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more science, universe, and scripture-based mysteries.